us. We're here at Kai Town. We're gonna go thrift shopping today, and Ash and I are gonna get coffee kasi tulog pa talaga yung mga utak natin. And we bought one hazel chocolate something. And here's our coffee. Hi, this is my friend Ashley.
Hi.
What did you get?
I got the green latte. We're gonna try it. It's really strong.
Oh no, I'll mix this first. It's good. Cheers. So it's a Saturday today, and what are we doing today, Ad?
We are coffee hopping today. Now, we're just gonna try one coffee this week. And we're here at Thai Town.
What's the name of the place? Open?
I think it's open.
And gals, yeah. Pasensya na po kung hindi to marunong mag-Tagalog kasi nosebleed talaga ako dito.
Sorry.
Mga sis.
I understand a little bit.
She understands a little bit. You say it like konti lang.
Konti lang.
Yeah, good. And maganda ka.
Maganda ka.
You say ikaw. Sabihin mo maganda ako.
Oh, that's too much.
Siya yung ipa-explain ko guys kung anong gagawin namin today. Go Ash!
Oh, so today we're gonna go thrift shopping. 2 spots. One of them is actually they're both in Sunset here in LA. So one of them is Goodwill and the other one will be Crossroads. But hopefully we find some good stuff.
We're gonna go to Goodwill first.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Goodwill. It's actually down the street from the coffee shop we were just at. So
we're okay
here we
now.
go. Yeah.
No, we're okay now because earlier we can't even talk to the camera.
Yeah.
Because we were so sleepy.
So now we just needed our coffee to get us going. So now we're up and about.
You know why I love Ashley? Because she's like me. We love cheap stuff.
Yes.
Right,
I
Ash?
like. Well, I like to be bougie on a budget.
Yeah.
As long as it's cute,
Yeah. And you
I don't mind. It doesn't need to be a designer. If I find a designer brand at the thrift store, that's a win, but I don't really need to get it. If I want a certain designer thing, but I know I don't want to just buy it just because.
Yeah.
You know what
True.
I'm saying? Like, I just rather
Spend
my money somewhere else.
Somewhere else, yeah, that's true.
But then buy something similar to it.
Yeah, you're right.
And I get tired of it. I get really bored with my stuff. So,
Yeah.
you know,
But she has a lot of expensive bags too, but you're not even using
I
it.
don't.
Ang hirap mag-English dito. Ang bilis pa
Sorry, bear with me, guys.
Oh, Ash. Oo. Nagno-nosebleed ako dito
Yeah.
mga sis, pero wala tayong magawa. Hindi to marunong mag-Tagalog eh.
And even my driving too, it's kind of scary. Just kidding.
So, yung jeans nila dito, like $14. Merong $9. This one's from Zara, but this is $9.99. They have Everlane here and $9.99.
This place is so organized. They organize it by size and
Colors. Yeah. Parang na akong papunta sa gera.
I'm dead.
It's cute. I love it. Let's look for another jacket. It's springtime and sobrang lamig pa dito sa LA. Did you get it? You understand it?
No.
Yeah, when I say sobrang lamig pa dito sa LA, it's still cold in LA. Say it.
What is it?
Sobrang lamig.
Sobrang
Lamig
lamig
dito sa LA.
dito sa LA. A with the extra.
Ang ganda nito. Ewan ko ba, I like super baggy clothes. Do you like baggy clothes too?
Yeah, depends, but
$14.99 and yung size niya XL. This is too big.
forget it. Put it back.
Isn't that cute?
It's cute, but it just doesn't fit you.
It's too big, huh?
Yeah,
But it's
super.
cute when you walk like this. Like, hang on.
$15. Is this a wedding dress? $75? So me and Naomi met because I hired her to take my engagement photos. And I love her work and I love her personality. We just ended up hanging out one day and we became friends.
Look at her. You want to get married again?
Yeah, but for the next.
Get married again with the same guy. Make it clear, Ash. Yeah, with the same guy. It's actually pretty. After party. Or reception. Yeah. It's $5.99. You think it's worth it? No.
That is pretty cute though.
It's a cute plant.
Yeah.
Like if you put a cute plant. I can't even fit my shoes. You can zoom in here. Is this really shoes or it's just for decor?
We're gonna get these. This is the only thing we found here today. So
it's gonna be hot outside.
they have vlogs. $23.98.
Is that a small size?
Yeah, it's a small one.
How about the big one? How much? The big one, how much is it?
$61.98.
61? Not bad. Not bad.
Our next stop is Crossroads, and we're gonna go check that place out. I usually always find something there though.
Okay.
So this will be nice because she hasn't gone. Naomi hasn't gone.
Yeah.
So this will be her first time there.
Yeah.
Yeah, at that place you can sell your stuff.
Yeah, you're actually selling your stuff to see.
Yeah, I just have a few stuff, so
Okay.
let's see if they'll buy it or not.
Wearing a black cargo or something. Is it cute?
It's super cute. I think it fits you perfectly, actually.
It looks nice. How much is it? $22.50.
Turn around. Did you see the back? See?
Cute, huh?
It's cute.
No. It's like party.
I'll take that over the green one.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, if I had to choose.
Yeah. And look at this.
Let's see the detail.
It's actually really cute. I love the color too. Ash, buy it.
Oh wow.
Face me.
fit.
Right?
And I like the detail. Look at this.
Ashley bought this one.
Yeah. No, it's cute. Very comfy. Love it.
What's this called? Camel pants. And then binili ko din to guys yung sa All Saints. But it's kind of expensive if you think about it. But just think about All Saints. I can't afford it. Because if you buy it on the website, it's like $300, $400 bucks.
Yeah.
And this is 37 plus tax. So it's 42. Yeah, it's nice. I like the details. Guys, ang ganda ng detail na to. Look at the detail. It's so pretty.
Hey, this is really pretty.
Yeah? I like it. Oh, it looks cute, Ash. Wait,
I just
hold
don't
on.
like the pink, but it's cute.
Yeah, but you can't see the pink though. You see? It looks cute. I love it. I really like it.
Oh my god. I can't shop with her. Seriously.
You can't. I'm a bad influence.
Oh, the quality.
No, look. It's
Oh,
like
no,
Target. Yeah. The quality's not nice. But I do like
style.
it. Yeah, it's cute. But it's overpriced, right? Overpriced? Yeah?
Well, because you said it's not a design.
Yeah.
So I think it is. My friend.
Yeah. It's not focusing, yeah. So this is Ashley's car and that's the brother's car. Hey guys, pasensya na nakatulog ako kanina mga sis. Pagdating ko talaga sa room ko, parang antok na antok ako. And parang sumakit yung dibdib ko sa, anong tawag dun? Sa alikabok. Sometimes when I go to thrift stores and maalikabok, sumasakit yung dibdib ko. So naligo ako, pero sinuot ko pa rin yung damit ko kanina. It's already 7:08 p.m. guys. And nagnap lang ako. And I'm here somewhere. And bibili lang ako nung dinner ko. I'm gonna eat... Oh, what am I eating tonight? I'm planning to just eat acai bowl for dinner. And yun na yun. And kailangan ko na umuwi agad kasi I have a shoot tomorrow. Hindi naman siya all-day event, but it's kind of far. It's in Silmar. So yun. Okay, hindi ko na alam saan ako magpa-park mga sis. Oh, here. Oh. Hindi na sana ako magva-vlog ngayon eh, kasi tapos na sana yung vlog kanina. But ito talaga yung gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyo kasi diba yung theme natin today is like bougie on a budget. Ito kasing bag na to, This is from Bottega. Joke lang. Actually, this is Bodega Vendetta. This is really a cute bag. I know they're trying to do Bottega, but hindi naman siya ganun kamura. But if you want Bottega, that's like $4,000 for this bag. Yung maliit nga, di ba? Parang 2,000 plus. I'm not sure. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. This is actually a pretty nice bag, and this is from Anthropology, and you want the Bottega feels kasi maganda din yung tela niya. I'm just not sure if this is real leather, pero super soft niya, and ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko kasi madali lang siyang lahat ng gamit ko, like madali lang ipasok, tapos ang gaan-gaan ng bag na to. Check niyo lang sa website mga sis kasi meron silang green. I mean, summer na, it's a fun color. I'm planning to actually get the green one, and if you want a black bag, they have a black bag like this too. Kasi everywhere I go, people would stop me and ask where I got this bag from. Kasi, di ba, ang cute talaga, especially if mahilig kayo sa mga neutral outfits. This color, parang bone color or off-white, I don't know. Maganda talaga siya. I think I got this for $128 or $129, and then wag niyo lang bilhin dito sa LA kasi mas mahal yung tax. So kung nasa lugar kayo na hindi ganun ka-expensive yung tax, then hindi aabot ng 140 plus yung babayaran nyo. Ito lang naman yung laman ng bag ko mga sis. So I have this book right here. It's this book. Kayo na magbasa, baka iba yung pagka-pronounce ko. And this is actually a pretty good book, and andito na ako mga siso. So in my free time, I go to libraries here. Next time, pag maka-vlog ulit ako, para makita nyo kung anong ginagawa ko pag wala akong shoot, and pag naboboard ako sa room, I go to libraries, and doon ako nag-edit as in all day. And sometimes when I'm bored and gusto kong mag-break, and I read books. And then I have perfumes here. So I bought this perfume right here. This is from Dior. Yeah, J'adore. Roller ball lang to. Kasi gusto ko yung nilalagay ko lang siya sa purse ko, especially when I'm like out and about. Gusto ko kasi may perfume palagi. Hala, walang laman pala tong bag na to. And then I have one perfume here too. Wow. It's the Tory Burch Electric Sky. I bought this because of Kathleen Lights. Kasi sinabi niya mabango daw. Pero to be honest, I don't use this sa body ko. Ginagamit ko lang to pag nababanyo ako. Gets niyo ba? Ganon. And then I have gum here. And I have my wallet here. Yun lang. And then, oh, I have 2 batteries for my camera. And I have a lip tint right here. It's from Romand. Number 18, Almond Rose. Hindi interesting yung laman ng bag ko kasi yun lang yung laman ng bag ko, and then of course yung car keys ko. Isama ko na lang kayo kasi sinama ko na kayo dito, mag-acai bowl muna tayo. Anyway, we're gonna go get acai bowl, and that's for dinner, and yun lang. Sarap. I think I'm gonna close the vlog right now. Kasi wala naman akong gagawin after this, mga sis. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do makeup videos. I think I'm gonna do a makeup video soon. Kasi marami akong makeup favorites na gustong i-share sa inyo talaga. But I have a foundation combo that I like so much, and I really want to share it to you. And meron din ako mga nahanap na drugstore products na sobrang ganda. May-dupe siya sa akin. So yun lang. Thank you for watching today's vlog, and I love you guys so much. Bye!